Three longest rain incidents in history. 1. India, 1993. Rain fell for 444 days straight in Cherrapunji, India, setting a world record. The relentless downpour totaled over 11,000 inches, causing floods and landslides. 2. Hawaii, 1912 to 1914. Mount Waialeale received rain for 331 days nonstop, with a total of 683 inches. This extreme weather created a lush, tropical paradise. 3. Brazil, 2011. The city of Recife experienced 263 days of continuous rain, resulting in severe flooding and displacing thousands of people. The rain totaled over 100 inches, breaking local records.